Slush, slush. My rear wheel has completely lost traction. That is why you need a Ralco motocross. Now where am I headed to? Wow! Is this getting deep into the forest? Who knows? But in adventure mode, whoa, glass. Body positioning is key. That sure looks like a nice one. Where is this? I would have climbed it if I knew what lay ahead. Let me just go check if this is fun. We're going up. Well, this would be easily 10 feet in height. The camera will show what's on the other side pretty easily, but that's not the reality. Woo! Talk about exploration. Yeah, of course I can climb up, and it's just a bank, an artificial bank. Let's get the bike up here, and yeah, we can have this as the resting ground. Sit for some time and talk nonsense. Clay, not a good place to propel yourself. You could obviously find better spots to propel yourself. That is dry ground. Any day better than clay. We have very little surface area. Just about 2 feet. That's all you got. That is all you've got. About 2 feet of surface area. Let me show to you what I mean. Watch that. Watch that. Look at how the bike goes in. Soft ground, soft soil. Not a good place, but whoops, digs in even further. My wide stand, there you go. My shoe stand isn't helping. I just push it a little further and use that piece of rock as support, and done. Adventure riding, huh? Like I told you, it's been raining like crazy, and wow, let's just look at how the mud flap has performed. Clean and crystal clean shock. Oh, this needs some cleaning. We'll do that. We'll do all of that. Interesting, ain't it? Exploring, puttering along on these beautiful terrain. Lovely. This is life. This you can never get on a highway. Something about this that just gets to you, and if it does, do not stop. Just be out here, roam around. Isn't it beautiful? That is how we got up, and that is easily 10 plus feet. Piece of cake, no joke. I mean, a joke for this particular bike. This bike with these tires, absolutely nothing. Of course, with the Ralco motocross, things would have been better, but this is one hell of a machine. And on the other side, we have a beautiful river, a rivulet, a water body that just goes on and on and on. Life, huh? What do you guys think? Super. What a find.